All right. Just want to thank God for closing a door that would have led to a place that could have been far worse than the outcome of today. And I want to thank the people of Mount Vernon for standing up against dirty politics. And I want to thank my wife and my family because it was really a test of our faith to get to this point. The road to redemption is riddled with twists, turns, tight straights. And the reality is 13 million Americans get caught up in the misdemeanor system, where it's very difficult to defend yourself, especially when you're poor. The reality is, we know that this outcome today was something that God ordained, and I'm going to go with it, as well as the results of the election. As I've done in the past, I'll do again. I congratulate Sean Patterson Howard for running a hard race. I never took that away from anybody. But I do know that I want to thank the justice system for being open to a resolution. And I want to congratulate Judge Warhit on balancing all the pressures to get a result. With that said, I just want to make it clear, had I not had children, had I not had a real future to lose, I would have loved my day in court, a fair day in court. And as many of you heard and saw, I was told to uncross my arms by a judge that promised a penalty if a result was reached not in my favor. In most cases, a situation like this would have far more compassion. I take responsibility for the mistakes made, but never given a chance to correct anything. And that's where I just have to draw the line and call a spade a spade. And my hope is that the people that are watching this, don't be discouraged, don't be afraid, don't stand down, stand up. Demand more. Mount Vernon is far better than it was 4 years ago. And for a fact, Mount Vernon is safer than White Plains. That's because of the hard work done by the Mount Vernon Police Department, the hard work done by the Fire Department, the hard work done by Recreation to stand in the gap. There's so many things that have been done without any help or support. And for those that are, standing to benefit from this, God is in charge. And I firmly believe that God will deal with each and every one person that had a hand in doing this to Mount Vernon. But I look forward to implementing the federal monitor. I look forward to seeing the case through to prove that this election was rigged. And I look forward to dealing with those that did everything to sabotage me and my family. But the future is big, and I thank God for this opportunity to keep going forward. And I just look forward to making more things happen for Mount Vernon, even if I'm not mayor. I'm still going to recruit businesses to bring jobs here, and I'm still going to work to make sure that we clean up the environment. So I want to thank everyone, and I look forward to the next chapter. There's no end, it's just the beginning. That's it.
We want to thank you, Mr. Mayor. We want to thank you.